that the Attorney General did not speak to the motion. It was quite obvious that the Attorney General's responses were, well, this is not a question of not understanding, it is a question of not agreeing. And you bring a proposal to the National Assembly, and you want that to be adopted, you should have the duty to speak to it, advocate for it, convince the people that this is the right thing, this is the right thing for the country. You just don't come and abandon it and leave it at them. I mean, he's a lawyer. When he goes to court and presents a motion, he speaks to the motion to convince the judge that, look, what I want, what my motion contains, I want you to grant me that. So when he went to the National Assembly, that is what he should do. All the clauses that we are taking, he should really deal with them individually and tell them, this is nothing new. This is what you have in constitutions throughout the Commonwealth. And the only one that said that he tried to do something about was about the retirement of judges. But other than that, you understand it, maybe you don't agree with it, so vote the way you want to vote. That is not really, I mean, he had abdicated his responsibility, in fact, with the executive. Together, I think this matter that was discussed at the level of the cabinet. You'll recall, there were occasions, Standard was publishing extracts from cabinet deliberations, the position of the government on issues, disagreeing. So these are the issues that, in fact, some of these names took up, like the power of the president to appoint National Assembly scrutiny. But the Minister of Justice knows that you look at the Constitution of Ghana, it's there. In Nigeria, it is there. The Constitution of Nigeria is there. In South Africa, in all these countries. So he should have told the people that this is nothing new. In fact, these are the things that really ensures the flourishing of our democracy, so that the executive just does not come and put a rubbish on you, and then you accept it. After all, you do have, for the ombudsman, it has to be approved by the National Assembly. They are not questioning that. For members of the Human Rights Commission, they're taken to Parliament for approval. You recently saw, for the Army Council. So the law it's already there. So why this time? It's because the president doesn't want Mr. A nominated by him for the National Assembly to say, no, this is not a fit person to hold ministerial position or to interrogate the person. So these are things that are not new. So that's why I'm saying that one general really, and I think he went there to really do exactly what the president and his cabinet told him to do. That is to say, don't leave it to them. Don't do anything. Don't explain anything to them. Don't try to convince anybody. I wish Batambedu was here. He had passion for this constitution. He wanted to see this constitution through. If he was there, he would have defended it. He would definitely have defended it.